Welcome, here we've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick save settings category. Here we have save location option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. When it's turned on we can save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's move to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to more details with location and the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.